Assembly of the fan board. Components required: 1 medium plate, 1 small L bar, 2 small C bar, 1 60T gear, 1 DC motor and 2 small bar. Take 1 medium plate and 2 small C bar. Attach the C bar to the medium plate in this way. The first hole of the medium plate should be on the third hole of the C bar. Now take a small L bar. We need to connect the L bar on the medium plate. Leave 2 rows and then place the small L bar in this way. It should be at the center. Now take a DC motor. Attach the DC motor on the small L bar in this way. The shaft of the motor should be at the first hole of the L bar. Connect only the lower ball of the DC motor. Don't connect the upper one. Now take a 60T gear and the small bar. Take the small bar, leave 2 holes and then place the third hole on this hole of the 60T gear. In this way and fix it using nothing. Similarly, take another small bar, leave 2 holes and place it in this way to the 60T gear and fix it using nut and bolt. Now take a spacer, put it on the shaft of the motor and take the 60T gear and insert it on the shaft of the motor. Fix it using an X-Lug. The assembly of the fan board is completed. After the assembly of the fan board, now we are going to show you the demo. We have connected the DC motor to port 4 of the controller. And turn on our controller. Now open the Junior Board app, click on Get Started, click on JB1 version 2, select your board, select fan. In a connection diagram, we can see that the motor is connected to the M4 port. So we have connected the motor to the M4 port. After that, click on Next, click on Connect to Bluetooth and select HC05. It's showing connected, that means our controller is connected to our phone. Now when I press the left button, our boat is moving in the left direction, and when I press the right button, our boat is moving in the right direction. Thank you.